Secrets to boost your e-commerce sales. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about the secrets to boost your e-commerce sales. E-commerce is a thriving business with huge revenues globally. As technology is now easily available in almost everywhere in the world, your business has to position itself ahead of your competitors as the #1 e-commerce site for online customers to go to for products or services in your industry. It is very important that you optimize your website in order to stand out among all other e-commerce businesses in order for you to improve your business sales. This video course will reveal the secrets that could help turning your online traffic to sales. Customizing your very own terms and conditions. All e-commerce business has terms and conditions. Having carefully crafted a terms and conditions page on your site about how you will treat certain transactions will form a contract between you and your customers. It's important to have terms and conditions on your website when you're selling goods or services over the internet because it gives you the opportunity to dictate how conflicts will be resolved, limit your liability, protect intellectual property, and give insight to customers of the special processes involved in transacting business on your website. And here you can customize your very own set of terms and conditions, where you can utilize this policy to be different from other e-commerce businesses by giving better offers to your customers. Many research projects have shown that the biggest reason customers abandon their shopping cart is because of shipping fees. Most customers would rather not make a purchase if the cost of shipping is too high, as they find the risks of having to buy an item online with a high shipping cost not worth taking. Therefore, you'll probably find most e-commerce business nowadays offering free shipping. You can either offer complete free shipping if it does not cause you liability, or you can offer deals like free shipping with a purchase of above 3 items. Free return policy is also a widely practiced policy to increase customers' confidence and satisfaction towards an e-commerce business. You can up the game by offering unconditional returns or refund policies. A seasonal promotion can help you boost sales by increasing your visibility among consumers. Everyone is either in shopping mood or will be looking to buy certain specific products during festive seasons. For the holiday seasons, try a new and different approach to your marketing. In order to be different from others, instead of pushing sales with a Christmas theme, try pushing sales with a New Year's approach. Reason being, chances are many of your customers, especially the early planners, probably have already made their holiday purchases. They're probably thinking ahead to the new year. If you start to sell your New Year's items ahead of others, you'll be able to get a head start on the New Year's sales, while also sustaining typical holiday sales. With New Year's sales, almost anything sells. You can sell coffee, clothes, digital goods, books, anything that you would ordinarily sell during the holiday season. People are just up for anything useful for the rest of the year. Because it's the new year, people tend to be more willing to spend. The idea here is to market it differently. Instead of saying that it makes a great gift for a particular festive season, say that it makes a better New Year's purchase. Mailing lists play an important role. Most of the time, depending on the product or service you offer, customers may not necessarily buy from you the first time they visit your website. It may take a couple of contacts between your business and consumers before they eventually buy. That's why it's crucial to have a mailing list for your e-commerce business to maintain a constant email marketing process. It's important to set up automated email, autoresponders for your subscribers. It's called the follow-up strategy. In the follow-up emails, present your offer to new and old subscribers, telling them the benefits of the product or service you're selling. Internet marketing specialists recommend at least a month's worth of emails sent every 3 to 5 days. This strategy will allow you to build relationships and give you the opportunity to sell back-end products. You can use wish list reminders. They're email nudges that drive a person to make the purchase. Other than that, try to offer sales or sold-out info to increase your customers' interest on your product. It's vital that you establish your credibility. It's how your customers come to trust and feel comfortable enough to buy from you. There are several ways you can achieve this effectively. One of the best ways to establish your credibility is to include customer testimonials in your sales letter. These should be taken from genuine emails or letters from customers reviewing how your product or service helped solve the particular problem they faced. Pick those that give bigger impact. For example, a customer's testimonial that states how the product benefited them will be more effective than one that just says something like, "This is a good product." You can also enhance your credibility by adding a section to your copy that outlines your credentials, experience, and any background information that makes you qualified to solve your customer's problem. Your goal should be to convince your customers that you're the best person to offer them a solution to their problem, and that what you're selling is the best in fulfilling their needs.